Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, credentials, staging mirrors, and matching configs so you avoid surprises. Once done, provision the load balancer. Choose HA proxy, Nginx, or a cloud ELB. Position it in the same region as Esewa app servers to reduce latency. Make sure SSL termination is configured at the balancer for secure traffic. Enable basic health checks and decide on session affinity now so your payment flows remain consistent across retries. Now you configure routing rules and backends to support Esewa's transactional patterns. Define backend pools, assign weights, and set connection and request limits so no single node is overwhelmed. Once configured, add robust health checks pointing at /health or /status and require 2xx responses. This ensures failed nodes drop out automatically. Also implement either sticky sessions or token-based routing so user payment sessions remain consistent. This prevents partial transactions and keeps reconciliation. Finish by testing and rolling out carefully. Start with a canary at 5% and gradually ramp to full traffic while watching latency and error rates. Make sure logging and alerts are active for 5xx spikes, timeouts, and backend saturation so you see issues immediately. If problems happen, fail over to the standby pool and roll back recent deploys if needed. Check health endpoints and session token consistency as the key troubleshooting step to recover transaction integrity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.